Hi everyone, I am Pragna Patel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 5 crazy advanced English phrases that will make you sound super fluent and confident. English બોલવું easy છે, but style and word choice a real magic છે. So let's get started. First one is let's call it a day. To stop working for the day. ચાલો આજ માટે કામ બંધ કરીએ. Example, we have been working for hours. Let's call it a day. Sometime in life, you must know when to pause. Not quit, just rest. Next one is hit the books. Start studying seriously. ગંભીરતાપૂર્વક અભ્યાસ કરવો. Example, I can't go out tonight. I have to hit the books. Smart work beats the hard works. When you study, study with focus. Third one is throw someone under the bus. To betray someone your own benefit. પોતાને બચાવવા બીજાને દોષી બનાવવા. Example, he threw me under the bus to save himself. Never throw anyone under the bus to shine. Real success comes from honesty. Last second is bite the bullet. To do something difficult that you have been avoiding. જોર કરીને પણ difficult situationમાં ના ગમતું કામ કરવું. Example, I hate dentist, but I will bite the bullet and go. Growth begins when you bite the bullet and face your fear. Last and most important, go the extra mile. To make extra effort beyond expectation. થોડો વધારે પ્રયત્ન કરવો. Example, if you go the extra mile, success will follow you. વધારે પ્રયાસ કરવો એ સફળતાનું રહસ્ય છે. When others stop, you keep going. That's how you win. These phrases are not just English. They are life lessons. Each one teaches you how to be strong, focused and real. So friends, start using these phrases today and see the magic. Don't just learn English. Live English. ઇંગ્લિશ બોલવું એ માત્ર લેંગ્વેજ નથી, એ તો આત્મવિશ્વાસ છે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર વોચિંગ. ફોલો ફોર મોર ઇંગ્લિશ એન્ડ મોટિવેશનલ વિડીયોઝ. ટેક કેર એન્ડ ગુડ બાય.